Good morning, students. Today's topic is solving quadratic equations using formula. What is quadratic equation? Let us recall. The equation of the form ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a not equals to 0 is called quadratic equation. How many methods are there to solve quadratic equation? There are 4 methods. One is factorization, second one graphical solution, third one completing the square method, and the last one is solving by using our formula. For remaining methods, click on the link given in the description box. What is the formula to solve quadratic equation? Observe carefully and memorize the formula. That is, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Once again, x is equal to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Observe here. What is this? Plus or minus. That means one root is for plus, other root is for minus. We will have two roots. One will come by using plus and another root will be obtained by using minus. Let us go into the questions without doing any delay. The first question is solve 5x square minus 6x minus 2 is equal to 0. What is a here? A means x square coefficient, that is 5. B means x coefficient, that is minus 6. What about C? C is constant, that is minus 2. So A is 5, B is minus 6, C is minus 2. Now let us substitute these values in the formula. What is the formula? Minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac whole by 2a. Now minus b is minus 6 plus or minus root over b square, b is minus 6, so minus 6 whole square, minus 4 into a is 5, and c is minus 2 whole by 2 into a means 5. Now simplify. How to simplify it? Yes, minus of minus 6 is 6 plus or minus root over minus 6 whole square. That means minus 6 into minus 6, that is 36. Now minus 4 into 5 into minus 2. Minus into minus plus 4 into 5 into 2 is 40 whole by 2 into 5 is 10. Now 6 plus or minus 36 plus 40 is 76 by 10. Now 76 can be written as 4 into 19. Again, root of 4 is 2. So it became 6 plus or minus 2 root 19 by 10. Observe this fraction carefully. Each term is divisible by 2. So divide each term with 2. We obtain the answer 3 plus or minus root 19 by 5. We already told you one root with plus, another root with minus. So first root is 3 plus root 19 by 5 and the second root is 3 minus root 19 by 5. Let us solve one more question. A beautiful question. Observe carefully. The diagonal of a rectangular field. What is? The diagonal. The diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Let the shorter side is breadth. If longer side is, that means length, is 30 meters more than shorter side, then find the sides of the field. Observe the figure carefully. Let the shorter side is x. Then diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. So the diagonal is x plus 60 and the length is x plus 30. It is a what type of triangle it is? Yes, right angle triangle. Right angle triangle means Pythagoras theorem applies. Now let us apply the Pythagoras theorem. That is diagonal square is equal to length square plus breadth square. Diagonal is x plus 60 whole square. Length is breadth is x, so x square plus length is x plus 30 whole square. Here we apply a plus b whole square formula. By applying a plus b whole square formula, we get x square plus 120x plus 3600 and copy x square as it is and again apply a plus b whole square to x plus 30 whole square, that is x square plus 60x plus 900. By simplifying, we obtain quadratic equation, that is x square minus 60x minus 2700 is equal to 0. Here a x square coefficient is 1, b x coefficient minus 60, constant minus 2700. Now apply these values, substitute these values in the formula. You will get 90 or minus 30. Side cannot be negative, so its breadth is 90. So breadth is 90 meters. Then what about length? We already told you length is x plus 30. X is 90. So 90 plus 30 is 120 meters. We finished here. Now let us go for one more beautiful question. What is that question? An express train takes 1 hour less than a passenger train to travel 132 kilometers between Mysore and Bangalore. By observing this sentence, we know that here two trains are there, express train and passenger train. The difference between these, the time difference is 1 hour. The distance is the same, that is 132 kilometers. Now, what is the next one? The average speed of express train is 11 kmph more than that of passenger train. Find the average speeds of two trains. Okay. The distance is given as 132 kilometers. Let the speed of the passenger train x kmph. Then speed of the express train. It is said that express train is 11 kmph speed more than that of passenger train. So it is x plus 11 kmph. And time taken by express train. We know the formula for time. Distance by speed. Time is equal to distance by speed. So distance is 132 by speed is x plus 11 hours. And time taken by passenger train, same method, that is 132 by x. From the problem, we know that the time difference is 1 hour. So we already know passenger train takes more time. So subtraction should be like this: 132 by x minus 132 by x plus 11 is 1. Now let us simplify carefully. Here we have two fractions. What are they? The first one is 132 by x. Second one is 132 by x plus 11. Multiply with denominator to the numerator. It becomes 132x plus 1452 minus 132x by x into x plus 11x. X square plus 11x is equal to 1. By cross multiplication, we get x square plus 11x minus 1452 is equal to 0. Here a, x square coefficient 1, b, x coefficient 11, constant c, minus 1452. Now apply it in the formula. By simplification, we get x value as 33 or minus 44. Speed cannot be negative. So, the passenger train speed is 33 kmph. Then what about express train speed? 33 plus 11, that is 44 kmph. Now, suppose roots are given. Now we have to find quadratic equation. The roots are alpha and beta. Then quadratic equation is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. Look here. Find the quadratic equation whose roots are 2, minus 6 by 5. First we have to find sum of roots. That means 2 minus 6 by 5. By simplification we get 4 by 5. Product of roots, multiply. We get minus 12 by 5. Now the formula says x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. That means x square minus 4 by 5 into x minus 12 by 5 is equal to 0. Multiplying each term with 5, we get 5x square minus 4x minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the solution. Now last question. Find the quadratic equation whose root is 5 minus 3 root 2. Here only one root is given. What about the other root? 5 minus 3 root 2 is given. So the other root will be, once again observe the formula. In the formula, plus or minus is here. If one root is with plus, the other root will be with minus. If one root with minus, the other root will be with plus. So, the roots will be, one is 5 minus 3 root 2. So, other is 5 plus 3 root 2. Sum of roots, add them, negative and positive. That is minus 3 root 2 plus 3 root 2 will be cancelled. 5 plus 5 is 10. Product of roots. Here we apply the formula a minus b into a plus b. That is a square minus b square. A square means 5 square is 25. B square means 3 root 2 into 3 root 2. 3 into 3 is 9. Root 2 into root 2 is 2. 9 into 2 is 18. Now 25 minus 18 is 7. Use it in the formula. That is x square minus sum of roots into x plus product of roots is equal to 0. X square minus 10x minus 7 is equal to 0. Now solve your self questions. Dear students, answer these questions, practice them. If you have any doubts, without any hesitation, you can call me. Thank you for listening.